Hi, my name is Jim Nelson. I'm with the Community Development Department of City of Des Moines. For several years, the City of Des Moines has operated a mosquito control program in the spring and summer months in an effort to reduce the threat to public health and annoyance from mosquitoes. We are involved with the encephalitis monitoring project operating in conjunction with Iowa State University. This involves trapping adult mosquitoes, testing them for mosquito-borne diseases. This is our best early warning signs that there may be an increase for disease transmission through mosquito bites. We will make decisions about control methods based on testing. Our goal is to reduce mosquito-borne diseases in the city. Our program has two primary efforts. One is designed to treat standing waters to reduce the number of mosquitoes hatched in the metro area. The second is a spraying program to reduce the number of adult mosquitoes in residential areas. In the spring, the Polk County, we will treat 350 acres of standing backwaters along the Des Moines River Basin and other areas too large to treat from the ground. We apply a pre-hatch control material. Treatment is done by a helicopter drop in the spring. In addition, we treat large areas of standing waters from the ground. We have identified about 400 locations in the city that are known to hold water that becomes a breeding ground for mosquitoes. We inspect these sites throughout the summer. If a site is found to contain larvae, it will be treated with a pre-hatch control material. The second effort is spraying for adult mosquitoes and condition warrants. Our operating procedures have been somewhat modified in an effort to reduce seasonal application of adulticide in compliance with the federal directives and yet even more responsive to citizen complaints. Within the City of Des Moines, using mosquito population data, city's complaint calls, and newly established electronic mapping systems, we will identify areas most intensely affected by periods of unusually high numbers of nuisance mosquitoes, and we will be targeting those areas for adult-controlled efforts. We typically begin spraying in late May or early June. This, of course, depends on weather conditions. We generally spray Sunday through Thursday night during the late evening after 8 p.m. and early morning hours when weather conditions are favorable, pedestrian traffic is at a minimum, and mosquitoes are most active. Friday and Saturday spraying may be authorized on an occasional as-need basis. We spray primarily during periods when adult mosquito populations are very high or when there is an elevated risk of mosquito-borne disease transmission to the general public. Areas of the city are sprayed on a rotating basis, generally taking 12 to 14 days to complete one cycle. Spraying is halted during the time of high winds, heavy rainfall, or temperature extremes that would render the treatment ineffective. During periods of the summer when mosquito populations are low, spraying will usually be reduced or discontinued. You can find the area of towns we are spraying in the city webpage. The insecticide used, Biomist 4+4, is applied at a very low concentration. The levels sprayed have little or no adverse effect to the people in the area sprayed. The spray kills the adult mosquitoes on contact and then dissipates. Some citizens of the city have expressed concerns regarding spraying around their homes and yards. We have developed a list of areas we do not spray. We refer this as a shutoff list. Drivers of the spray truck have the list and shut the spray off on areas that we have been asked not to spray. Be assured, if you are on the list, the driver may have to drive by your house, but the flow of chemicals sent to the sprayer is turned off half a block on either side of the address. People who have requested that the spray be cut off in their area are contacted in the spring and asked if they still want to be on the list. If you want to be on the list, you can request this at any time by calling the Mosquito Hotline. This number is also the place you should call if you want to request we spray your neighborhood because you have experienced a large number of mosquitoes. If there is a conflict between those residents requesting the spray and those wishing not to be sprayed, we honor the shutoff request. Remember, mosquitoes carry diseases and you can help yourself reduce exposure. Limit outdoor activities through the hours of dusk to dawn when mosquitoes are most active. Wear protective clothing such as long pants, long sleeve shirts, etc. when you're outside at these times. Use repellents containing DEET. Be proactive in eliminating breeding sites around the home and yard, particularly by emptying standing water from various containers that may be found in the yards such as buckets, cans, and stagnant waters in waiting or swimming pools. Keep gutters free of debris and ensure proper drainage. Keep tires inside enclosed buildings. Keep water fresh in bird baths and decorative fountains. Additional information can be found on the city website. You'll be able to request that your neighborhood be sprayed for mosquitoes, request that your address be added to the spray shutoff list, report problems with standing water, and receive update information from 5 p.m. regarding areas of town where our spray trucks are scheduled to be working on that particular night. The hotline number is 248-6099 or email nid@desmoinesgov.org.